Hi everyone. Welcome to the first actual summary video thing I'll be doing. Hopefully have enough time to do more of these. As you can imagine, I'm very busy and kept very busy, so you don't have to worry about me. So if you don't know what exactly I'm doing, I'm at a camp called Summer Ventures. It's through the North Carolina School of Science and Math, and I already do online classes to them anyways, so this was just one of their summer programs I chose to do. And it's me and 40 other students here at UNCW, and we're going to be spending our time here for a month. There are 3 research groups: biotech, which is the one I'm in. There's a fossils group, that's pretty cool, and a CS group, or computer science group. So we all hang out together most of the time, so it's been really fun to be able to meet people from all around the state and get to hang out with them and play sports and just get to hear each other's interests and how much we love or don't love learning and certain passions of ours. So that's been really fun. Why would I want to do this? So I love learning and I love science. No, gosh, it was a really unique opportunity to not only, do science and get more experience, but also the research experience. And the type of research I'm doing is really cool. I get to basically choose what I want to study, and that's what's really cool about the biotech group. There's 15 of us, I think, and we're split up into 3 or 4 groups. Can't remember, and we all chose a disease to study. And so basically we are targeting this disease however we choose, and we're going to make antibodies to target and make a solution. Sorry, I'm really dehydrated. And so we've had to learn about proteins and antibodies and nanobodies and how they work and all that jazz, how to grow them. There's also a lot of computational stuff, so computer stuff we have to do, because obviously we have a month, and doing all this takes years, really, in reality, and we have 4 weeks, and we're not even working on it the whole time. So my group, I'm studying Huntington's disease with 2 other people. They're amazing, love them. And you can look up Huntington's disease. It's a genetic disease. And basically what it does, it's in a gene called HTT. And inside of that gene, there's a genetic code. Each cell in your body has a genetic code. And in that genetic code, there's 4 nucleotides. There's 3 of them. And when they're in the pattern of CAG, then that's one of the repeats. So, okay. In the HTT gene, it's called Huntington. And normally people have 36 CAG repeats within the gene. But people with Huntington's disease have upwards of 36. And that causes mutations and problems. And so basically what it does is it sends out, it kills your neurons, and the way that the proteins in the cells die, the proteins fold in a certain way, and so when they fold wrongly, then it blocks the neural pathways in your brain, and so it affects your cognitive functions and your motor functions, and you basically just start to lose control of yourself slowly, and it sucks, and it's really bad. It can be really aggressive and progress a lot worse, and some people It can show up earlier, show up later in your life, and normally like in your 30s or something. So we decided, like literally an hour ago, that we were going to help the cells in your brain that clean out dead cells. So there are cells in your brain that clean out dead cells, like I just said. They're called microglia and astrocytes. And the proteins that are affected by the HTT gene that fold wrong and die, they produce a toxin, and it's a poison, and it kills the microglia and the astrocytes that are trying to clean up. And so the cells are trying to help end up dying and add to the problem. So our solution is to take an antibody that some scientists have recently done research on, and we're going to take that and we're going to learn from it, and we're going to use it to make our own antibody, and then we're going to send it to latch on to the microglia or astrocytes, or both. We'll see. Depends. And there are cells called lysosomes. And lysosomes break down like everything, not just dead and unwanted cells. Like they break down everything, like proteins and all that jazz. So we want the antibody to take those cells to the antibody latch onto microglia takes, and that makes it stronger. The antibody would make the microglia or astrocyte stronger, and then so the strengthened cell would go and take some of the dead cells and take it to the lysosomes to break down. I just yapped for like 4 minutes. I'm so sorry. Anyways, that's basically what I'm going to be researching a lot on. And also at the same time, we're doing like 2 labs. Basically, I'll explain those later. Let's see, is there anything else? The food's pretty decent. There's a lot of options. Sometimes they're like the same options, but it's better than it not being edible, so that's good. I love the people. They're all really sweet, and in the afternoons we have time to we can't really go anywhere by ourselves, so we have to go everywhere together, which is fine. And this is really the only time we have throughout the day to rest, which is right after classes for an hour, and then we eat dinner at 5:30, and then we go do something, and then we do something else, and then we do something else, and then we come back and we have to study at 10 o'clock, and then get all our work done, and then we go to bed, and we wake up at 6:45 in the morning, and it's great. It's not that bad, even though it's only day 3 or something like that. Honestly, I feel like I've been here for a really long time. It's been 3 days. So, yeah, I would say I'm missing home, but I'm so busy I can't really think about it that much. And I feel like I've been keeping up with family and friends pretty well, so hopefully that keeps up. And if you have any questions, specific ones about questions you want me to answer, just comment them below. I'll answer them if I can when I get to it. And thank you guys for watching and caring. If you want to know when I post, hit subscribe. It's red. Guys, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. This is insane. And then if you want to get a notification from YouTube, click the bell and push all notifications. Guys, no way, I just promoted my own YouTube channel. That's crazy. Oh, yeah, I've had a cold at the same time. Not fun. But oh yeah, the heat wave, it's so bad. Like, it's 100 degrees outside. But every single building we walk into is like 50 degrees. So we have to like bring jackets everywhere we go. So it's like I'm bringing a jacket around with me when it's 100 degrees outside of the beach. Pretty great. We do have afternoons. Second tomorrow afternoon, we're going to the beach all together. So that'll be fun. On the weekends, we have like really fun things planned. I think we're going to a baseball game, Wilmington Sharks, in the afternoon. That'll be fun. And then Sunday, I think they said we're going to an island. I don't know. I kind of just go day by day with the schedule. So, yeah, love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.